Here's little Jaden. He's trying to wake up. Jaden. Jaden. You gonna wake up? Huh, little man? Oh, what's that face? Hmm? Oh. You gonna wake up, little man? You gonna give us a smile? Huh? Oh yeah. You gotta stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, there's a yawn. My goodness. My goodness. Oh. Oh, Jaden. Jaden. There's his hand. Oh, goodness. I know. That was a nice stretch. Oh, there's an eye. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh. Hi, little man. Isn't he adorable?